All right, y'all, we're gonna go ahead on and smoke this big old alligator. Let's go. All right, y'all, what I did was I kept it in the brine for 24 hours with my seasoning on it, and now it's time to smoke it. Go ahead on, y'all, get y'all a sharp knife and cut right down the center of that tail right there now. We're gonna go ahead and stuff that dead tail with that boudin now. Go ahead and melt you some butter, y'all, and coat that baby down. Now go ahead and hit it with your Creole mustard. Hit it with that Cajun seasoning. And some of that blackened seasoning. I got that smoker going, y'all, with that hickory wood. We're gonna go ahead on at 250 degrees, and we're gonna let it smoke for about a good 5-6 hours. Want the internal temp, y'all, at 165 degrees. All right, y'all, check it out, baby. We're getting started now. All right, y'all, check it out, baby. That's the 1 hour mark right there. All right, y'all, the internal tip's 165, y'all. Come see. Check it out.